And welcome to DocDano.com. And today I've got Jane Hensley here, who is how old are you, Jane?
I just turned 23.
23-year-old. Today I thought what we would do is talk a little bit about skin care for a 23-year-old. What are you looking for in a skincare regimen?
Well, every now and then it seems like I break out. I'll have a couple of weeks where I just, my face just blows up. And then for a month, it'll be great. So I guess just something to kind of control that, prevent that from happening. I don't know what would do that.
So it sounds like you're looking for consistency.
Mm-hmm.
But let me ask you a question. So how much time in a day are you going to devote to your skin? Is this like you have all day, or do you spend an hour in the morning?
I mean, probably, 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at night.
So for 20 minutes is what you want to spend total on your day. And can you tell me what you do now? What's your normal routine?
So when I wake up in the morning, I'll, wash and kind of scrub my face in the shower and then put on moisturizer afterwards and then, do the makeup thing. And then at night, wash my face, moisturize again, and then go to bed. That's about it.
Why do you put the moisturizer on? Do you have a reason for that?
Well, according to my mom, moisture, helps keep your skin firm and younger, looking longer. That's really all I know. I have dry skin too, but it's a combination, I guess, is what you would call it.
Well, let's talk about those moisturizers for a minute, because I think that's a very interesting point and maybe something that you could look at just a little bit, maybe not for sure. If you watch the 1950s I Love Lucy show, have you ever seen that before?
Yes.
And have you ever seen Lucy and Ethel and they go to bed at night and they've got like cold cream like all over their face?
Yes.
They have something tied around their head so that their hair doesn't get messed up, and they've got white. You can't even see their face. They look like a mime from Central Park. Right? Okay. Moms grew up thinking you had to have moisturizer.
Right.
If you don't have moisturizer, then you're going to get wrinkled and you're going to get old.
And that's what I think.
Yeah, but what happened to our moms? They all got wrinkled and they all got old. So clearly, it doesn't really work. So
right.
Moisturizers won't keep you looking younger. And moisturizers are okay if you need to put them on in the morning to help put your makeup on.
Right.
But they're not going to make you look younger. So if your skin's dry and irritated, maybe put a moisturizer. If it's not, then don't do it, because they can contribute to acne.
Really?
Really.
Okay, so what should I do? I spent a lot of money on this new cleanser that I got at Nordstrom, and I don't even know if it's helping. Maybe it's making me break out more. Do you have any recommendations?
Well, probably the simple things you can do at home are: you need to wash your face. Don't go overboard. Probably the least effective thing you do to control your acne is wash your face. Okay? You need to do it. Obviously, you can't go to bed with a dirty face. You need to take your makeup off.
Right.
But you don't need to go overboard. Because moisturizers, cleansers that have abrasives or salicylic acid and all that, for a young woman, not the best
choice.
Should
I stay away from, because my mom, again, has always told me I should get a cleanser with salicylic acid in it to, control the breakouts and stuff. Should
salicylic acid it's a drug. It's aspirin.
Right.
It's aspirin that has been pounded down and put into a product. It's an acid. I mean, you're really washing your face with an acid. So when you're a teenager and you're a 13-year-old hormonal boy with oily skin and pimples, maybe it's not a big deal. But when you're a young, beautiful, attractive woman with relatively sensitive skin or dry skin, probably not the best option.
Okay.
Because it's going to dry your skin out. If your skin gets dry and irritated, then you're not going to be as motivated, if you will, to do the other things that might be useful for your skin. You're going to get acne. So gentle cleanser. So gentle cleanser and simple moisturizer. Two simple things.
Okay. That's so helpful. Thank you.
Thanks for being here today. Thanks for DocDano.com.